question of marriage, it's really a deep one, a very complex one, because it's a many-layer question. And I really think that we have to be very cautious and very precise when we deal with this. First, in Islam, marriage is a contract. So when we are saying, for example, from the very beginning, in Islam we cannot understand what civic marriage is. In fact, it's exactly the opposite. From the very beginning, there is nothing like a religious marriage. Everything is about a contract. It's between a man and a woman, and sometimes at that time, during the 7th century, it was between two families. But it was a contract with rights and duties. So this is the starting point of our understanding.
Well, an Islamic marriage is a marriage contract, and a civil marriage is also a marriage contract. An Islamic marriage is not a sacrament of any sort. So a contract which involves two consenting adults to agree to a marital state. And that's really what a civil contract is as well. On that basis, there is really no conflict. Where there is an issue is when how the contracts come to an end and how the contracts are recognised in European societies or in non-Muslim countries.
Normally, I insist on either civil contract committing the couple before they come to me for religious solemnization, or at least to see a license of marriage. And after that, I solemnize the religious contract. And the point behind insisting on that, to avoid underage marriage or, say, for instance, a bigamous marriage where the monogamous marriage is the norm, and so on. Otherwise, the civil marriage actually has or acquire what is needed from the Sharia point of view in a term of proposal by one side and acceptance by the other, and publicity of the marriage, and the minimum standard of publicizing the marriage is two witnesses to the fact that the marriage had taken place between this couple on such and such a date. So I don't see any conflict between the civil marriage and the religious marriage in terms of establishing the marriage. Perhaps the differences maybe show up when the marriage ran into a problem and the dissolution of marriage became a necessity. So from the Muslim point of view, the way out is much easier than the way in the civil marriage as it is practiced in the West.